Okay, so I think it's recording. Hi everyone, my name is Atul and you are watching UX Trim. And this is my first video and I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. I think the quality and the audio, all the stuff. I tried few things. I tried, recording with various devices, but this is the final thing which I'm going with. On this channel, you are going to learn about UI, UX, interaction, web design, and how to think from a perspective where you can, from a scratch, make a product in terms of designing a product design and how you can refine it. So I have been working in this UI UX industry from past 7 years, and I have learned a lot of things and which I want to share with all of you. And I think it will help you a lot. So as a designer, I think there are certain tricks, and each individual learn new stuff, new things while working with various organization and working on various projects. So of course, every learning is unique, and I'm going to share my learnings with all of you. As per my introduction, my name is Atul Kumar, and I'm a product designer, specifically digital product designer, and I have worked on almost 200 projects, more than 200 projects, in which there are 15 to 16 SaaS products and a lot of websites and few games. So talking about all those projects, there are way too many, and I haven't worked on single of them in terms of compilation. And to be honest, I haven't compiled my portfolio from, let's say, last 4 years. And I'm thinking to compile my portfolio as well along with this channel and these videos. So I'll be telling you how to compile them and what kind of projects require what kind of clarity and projection and whom we are trying to build our portfolio for. So yeah, we'll define each and everything in terms of how you can create your own personal portfolio without following anyone else's pre-made template or something. So it will specifically represent you, showcase your skills. I'm going to teach you more about skills, right? Or the software skills, whether it's a Figma or your Photoshop or Illustrator or any other software which requires to generate that asset, and that's it. I think you get the gist of it. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.